Animals speak. Linguistics versus animal communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Department of English. Today's topic is exciting, fun, and a bit mysterious. Can animals speak? Let's explore what linguistics says about it. First, do animals really talk? Animals do communicate. Birds sing. Dogs bark. Whales whistle under the sea. But, does this count as language? What is language according to linguistics? In linguistics, language is more than just sound. It must have grammar and rules, creativity, the ability to make new sentences, displacement, talking about the past, future, or imagination, duality of patterning, combining simple sounds into meaningful words. Human language has all of these. Animal communication doesn't. Example 1. Bees. Bees perform a waggle dance to tell other bees where to find food. That's communication. But it's limited, they can't create new messages or talk about yesterday. Dolphin. Example 2. Dolphins and whales. They use complex sounds, even names. But again, no grammar, no storytelling. Example 3. Apes using sign language. Some apes like Coco the gorilla were taught sign language. They could learn 100+ signs. But, they rarely used grammar or formed full sentences like humans do. Final verdict. Do animals have language? No, not in the full human sense. They communicate feelings, needs, danger. But they cannot express philosophy, dreams, or jokes. Only humans use complex, symbolic language. Why does it matter? Studying animal communication helps us understand. Check mark how human language evolved. Check mark what makes language special. Check mark the deep link between language and thought. Bell. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.